Hello, my name is Javier Perez-Griffo and I'm the founder of Basol. Basol is the company behind the development of the Tapp platform. Today we're going to see how easy it is from the Tapp platform to be able to get up and running a WordPress configuration using Amazon Web Service. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to connect to the Tapp platform webpage, which is Let's Tap In, and it will ask us for our account details. So I've created for this case a fake account which is called Steve, and I'll put in my password. As you can see, the main page of Tapp has a lot of information. We have 4 main blocks. We have information about cloud, which is the number of servers that you have up and running using the Tapp platform. We have information about DNS, which are the names that these servers have on the internet. And we have blueprint, which are the configuration and management of those infrastructure. And we have information about account, which is information about yourself and about your team. So now we're going to select and we're going to go on to create a template. We touch Add Template. In this case, we're going to call it WordPress Template, and we're going to select the distribution we want to use. So in this case, we want to use Ubuntu 64 bits. The interface will update very quickly and will give us a lot of detail about what's going on. So we select our WordPress template. We see that we don't have any servers associated to it, no scripts associated to it, and no services associated to it. Services are the main installation blocks of the Tapp platform. We have here a bundle of recipes with a lot of software that would automatically install into your Tapp platform. So in this case, we're going to choose web, and we can see that here we have a lot of software we can choose. We have Apache, we have PHP, and in this case we're going to choose WordPress. So this will, we save the information, and we see we still don't have any services associated to it. So we go back to the main page. We can see that information has been updated, and we'll select infrastructure, servers. Now the workspaces are the places where we work. So we're going to touch Add Server, and we're going to create one which is called Blog, and hostname blog. I'm going to select the template I just created, which is WordPress. And because right now we only have in this account configured Amazon, I can only see Amazon plans. So I'm going to select the Amazon Micro instance because it's the one that we get free with the Amazon developers account. So I've created it, and I'm going to touch Add Servers. As in the interface that the server is getting commissioned. This is the process by which it's being asked to the cloud provider to reserve us a server so we can get it up and running. This usually takes a little bit of time, and once it's commissioned, we can see that it changes its state, and we can go on to selecting the machine and get it up and running. We see that right now it has a DNS associated to it, but it doesn't have any IP address. So we're going to touch play, and we'll go into a booting stage. Once in the booting stage, which is the process by which the machine is getting up and running in the cloud provider, it will change to a bootstrapping stage. The bootstrapping stage is actually when the software of the service is being installed. If we touch in the log, we can see information about how this boot processing is going. The bootstrapping of a machine in the cloud provider usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. It's only needed the first time. Let's not forget that Apache has been installed, PHP has been installed, MySQL has been installed, and WordPress has been installed, all automatically without any human interaction. So now that we have the machine up and running, we'll go to the DNS, we'll grab the DNS address it has associated to it, and we'll put it into the web page. We can see that WordPress has already been configured. So I'm going to put Avengers blog. I'm going to create my username, it's Steve. I'm going to put my password, and I'm going to put my email address. I'm going to touch. So So I'm going to log into the WordPress administration so I can begin putting my first post. So here it gives us the account details that we have to log into, and we have the WordPress dashboard. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to put a quick press. So it's going to say hello all Avengers, and I'm going to put hello, my name is Captain America. And I'm going to publish the information. I'm going to log out now from the administration window of WordPress, and I'm going to visit the normal WordPress page, and we can see that we have here the post I've just created. Thank you for paying attention for this presentation, and we invite everybody to please visit Let's Tap In and ask for an invitation to our beta program. Thank you very much.